Good morning, dear students. In our previous period, we have learned a very humorous poem, The Twins. In this period, we will learn appreciation of the poem, The Twins, and English workshop activities also. Appreciation of the poem, The Twins. In our activity sheet, question 3b, an appreciation of the given poem is asked. Points for appreciation will be provided in activity sheet. You may write appreciation in points format, covering all the given title, poet or poetess, rhyme scheme, figures of speech, theme or sentence. Title for half mark, poet or poetess for half mark, rhyme scheme for 1 mark, figure of speech, anyone for 1 mark, theme or central idea for 2 marks. Total appreciation for 5 marks. Okay. Now we will learn appreciation of the poem, The Twins. आपल्या ऍक्टिव्हिटी शीट मध्ये क्वेश्चन 3 हा ऍप्रिसिएशन साठी 5 मार्कांसाठी क्वेश्चन असतो. यामध्ये आपल्याला पोएम दिलेली असते आणि तुम्हाला पॉइंट फॉर्मॅट मध्ये ऍप्रिसिएशन लिहायचं असतं. ओके. फर्स्ट टायटल. The title of the poem is The Twins. It is for half mark. Okay. Next, poet or poetess. Poet's name. The poem is written by Henry Samuel Clay. Rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of poem is A B A B C D C D. This is for 1 mark. Next, figures of speech. Alliteration. Number 2, hyperbole. You can write anyone and you can use examples of it also. Alliteration. It puzzled all our king and queen. Sound of K is repeated. Also in form and features and face and liaise. Sound F is repeated. Next, hyperbole. When I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. This is an example of hyperbole. You can write any one figure of speech. It is for 1 mark. Next, theme or central idea. The central idea of the poem is the confusion between identical twins because of this. What kind of problem they had whole life is explained. All the problems are so exaggerated that they create humorous effect. Still, the poet achieves a balance by making the reader believe, at least for a short time, the way of thinking of his arguments. You can write central idea, at least 2 or 3 lines. At least 2 or 3 lines you can write central idea and it is for 2 marks. Total appreciation for 5 marks. Okay. Now next, we will take English workshop activities. 1. Rewrite putting the mistakes in the speaker's life in their proper order. You have to rewrite the mistakes in the speaker's life in their proper order. A. He got beaten up often at school. B. The speaker's bride became his brother's wife. The speaker desperately asked for guidance. D. No one in the family could distinguish between the twin babies. E. At the naming ceremony, wrong names were given to the two twin brothers. F. Even in death, the twins were not spared during burial. Write in proper order. Okay? Yes. Now Check your answer also. A. No one in the family could distinguish between the twin babies. B. At the naming ceremony, wrong names were given to the two twin brothers. C. He got beaten up often at school. D. The speaker desperately asked for guidance. E. The speaker's bride became his brother's wife. F. Even in death, the twins were not spared during burial. Next activity. 2. Pick out 4 situations in the lives of the twins which are too absurd and senseless to believe. You have to find out 4 situations in the lives of the twins. Answer. 1. The people began mistaking one for other. Number 2. At the naming ceremony, the names of the twins got interchanged. 3. The speaker's intended wife became his brother's wife. Number 4. When the speaker died, the neighbors came and buried his brother John. Okay, these are 4 situations. Next, complete the wave diagram. Poet uses humor too. You have to complete this wave diagram. Poet uses humor to create laughter, reduce boredom, fill other boxes, and complete the wave diagram. Entertain readers, create good mood, make readers happy, raise sense of humor. Okay, next. B. Write any 2 lines from the poem that you find most humorous. You have to find most humorous lines from the poem. For somehow, my intended bride became my brother's wife. Okay? And when I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. These lines are humorous lines. Next. Pick up lines that contain alliteration, pun, hyperbole. You have to pick out lines. Alliteration. Inform and feature face handling. B. It puzzled all our kids and feelings. C. As we were being washed by nurse. Pun. It reached a fearful pitch. B. And I was always getting flogged. Hyperbole. For somehow my intended bride became my brother's wife. And B. And when I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. Next. Pick out from the poem sets of words that generally go together. For example, kith and kin. Form and feature, face and limb, year after year, one of us. These are sets of words. Next. 6. Write in your notebook the summary of this poem in about 15 to 20 lines in your own words. You have to write summary of this poem. Answer. The poet shares his bad experiences that he had faced because of his twin brother John. The poet was Henry and his brother John was identical twins. Their body structure, face, and all body parts are look same. That a likeness puzzled people, relatives in recognizing. They were twins, but nobody knew who was born a twin. The nurse exchanged the 2 brothers while washing them in naming ceremony. John got Henry's name and Henry got John's name. In school life, John made some mistakes and Henry always got punishment. This confusion continued in domestic life also. When Henry was about to marry to his intended bride, she became his brother's wife. At last, when poet died, neighbors came and buried his brother John. Okay, and next 7 questions. Appreciation of this poem we have already seen. Now we will take test. You have to solve these questions in your notebook. This is a test for 10 marks. आपल्या ऍक्टिव्हिटी शीट मध्ये देखील क्वेश्चन 3A हा पोएम वरचा क्वेश्चन असतो. याच्यामध्ये एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट दिलेले असतात आणि ऍक्टिव्हिटीज सोडवायच्या असतात त्या ठिकाणी. आणि क्वेश्चन 3B हा ॲप्रिसिएशनचा असतो आणि यामध्ये ॲप्रिसिएशनसाठी वेगळी पोएम असते आणि एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट हा क्वेश्चन 3A हा वेगळ्या पोएमचा असतो. पण आपण या ठिकाणी दोन्हीही क्वेश्चन जे आहेत या ट्विन्स याच्यावर प्रॅक्टिससाठी दिलेले आहेत. You have to solve this test. Okay. Question 1A. Read the following extract and do the activity. 5 marks साठी आहे या ठिकाणी. Solve in your notebook. And next question 1B. Write an appreciation of the poem with the help of the points given below. Title, name of the poet, rhyme scheme, figures of speech, theme. Appreciation for 5 marks. Okay. Next. Thank you. Here we have completed our English workshop activities and you have to solve these tests. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.